Managing a project with SmartDraw is simple and intuitive. Your team will have clear goals and better communication with minimal effort. Start by selecting Gantt Charts to the left of the Home panel and click on Gantt Chart. The framework for the Gantt chart is already in place. To the left of your work area, you'll find the Smart panel with specific tools and shortcuts to help build your project chart. Select Time Frame to set the start and end points of your project, and your chart will automatically reformat. You can also simply type the start and end dates right into your chart. SmartDraw automatically formats your chart to fit on a single page and sets the scale appropriately. You can change this scale using the floating toolbar at the top of your chart by selecting weeks, quarters, or even years from the dropdown. Now you're ready to add a task. Just hit the Add Task button in the Smart panel and type in a description for your task. Hit the down arrow key and type to enter more task descriptions, and add more tasks using the Smart panel or simply by hitting Enter on your keyboard. Repeat this until you've added all your main tasks to the chart. These are the big, overarching tasks that need to get done. However, these larger tasks often cannot be completed until several smaller tasks are done first. The best way to figure out each of these subtasks is to do so visually using a mind map. SmartDraw easily lets you switch to a mind map view of your project by clicking on View as Mind Map here in the Smart panel or at the bottom of your work area. Once in the mind map view, you'll see each of your tasks represented as a box on a mind map. You can use either the Smart panel buttons or the action buttons to add subtasks and build out your entire project plan. Use the arrow keys to navigate between tasks and type to add information. Press Ctrl and the arrow keys on your keyboard to add more subtasks where you want to. When you're done, switch back to the project chart view using the tab at the bottom of your work area or the button in the Smart panel. You can now see all of your tasks and subtasks neatly indexed into a hierarchy, making it easy to start filling out estimated durations and assign responsibilities. To adjust how long a task will take, simply type in a start or end date on your chart, and the bar representing the task will automatically adjust in your chart. You can also adjust the dates and duration of a task using the bar itself. Just drag the bar to move it and change its length. You can also drag it to move your task to another position on the chart. Easily track the progress of your project by entering the % complete for each task here in this column. The % complete is shown visually on each task bar. If a task is overdue, in the mind map view, it is marked with a red warning symbol. If the task is complete, it's marked in the mind map with a green check mark. Besides adding tasks here in the Smart panel, you can remove tasks or add milestones, significant moments over the course of the project. You can sort the chart by due date, and you can also use Auto Schedule, which ensures that there's no overlap of team members' tasks. If you have a task that can't begin until another is completed, you'll want to add a dependency. To do this, hold down Control and select the bar representing the task that you need completed and the bar representing the task that depends on this completion, and hit Add Dependency in the Smart panel. You can see that it automatically resets the starting point of the dependent task and adds a line connecting them. Simply hit Remove Dependency to get rid of it. The indent and outdent task options let you control the hierarchy of tasks and subtasks, just as we did in the mind map view. Under Project Options, you can define your work week and non-working holidays and choose which categories to display on your chart. Connecting your project chart to Trello allows you to create full accountability. In either view of your project, you can turn any task into a Trello card and assign team members. Just select the task and click the Create Trello Card button. You'll be asked to log into Trello, choose any of your existing boards, select the lane the task belongs on, and assign a team member. Changes to the Trello cards are reflected in your project chart the next time you open it. So when a team member marks a Trello card as complete, The project manager will see this in the SmartDraw project chart. Likewise, changes to the project chart, like task due dates, are reflected in the Trello card in real time. SmartDraw's unique and intuitive tools for mapping out plans and tracking progress will help project managers and team members communicate and collaborate better than ever.